Today's gonna be one of those days where it's either gonna be one to remember or, well, I guess either way, it'll probably be one to remember. We got nailed by a storm last night. Really, really bad. Crazy thunderstorms, lightning storms. We probably got several inches of rain, and we're going muskie fishing. So it was in the plan. We were supposed to get rain, but I didn't think we were gonna get hit like this. And we're stuck between the fishing being really good and the lake being decent, or the rain completely washing everything out, the water being murky, the water being rough. It's a 50-50 right now. There's no in between for how this is gonna go. So it's either gonna go really great or it's gonna go really bad. So it's early, I'm gonna go get a coffee. I gotta wake up, and I always set goals for when we go fishing. And as the last few times we've gone out, the goal's been to get my buddy Mike, who's obviously filming right now, on a fish. He's caught one muskie ever, and he's been muskie fishing with me for 2 years. And it's literally not because he doesn't know what he's doing. It's just the luck of the draw, man. I don't know why I get him more often than he does, but I do. So if we can both get a fish, that would be sick. If not, I don't know what to expect. It could be a disaster or not. So we will see you guys at the lake. Hopefully I'll be a little more awake and have a coffee. So, and hopefully the rain stops. It's still currently raining as we're driving right now. So we looked at the radar. It looks like it should be okay, but it's an hour away. The weather's completely different. You never know what you're gonna. We're live in Ohio too. The weather's so bipolar. I don't know. So here goes nothing, boys. About 14.5 inches of rain later, we made it to the lake. We're gonna do our best to try and do this. We need to stay dry. Well, the camera gear needs to stay dry. I don't really care about me. We left at 5 o'clock this morning. It was raining. We sat at the boat ramp for about 2.5 hours. Well, by the time we drove and got everything figured out, it's about, what, 7:30 right now? Yeah, 7:36. So a late start, but the water looks good. I'm pumped. So I love fishing the rain. It can be really promising, and yeah, I don't know. So hopefully the rain lets up. It's supposed to. We've been looking at the radar, so I don't know. Let's get to it, boys. I got my head. Alrighty, baby. Let's get to it. It stopped raining. That's all that matters. I'm hyped. So the wind's not too bad either. It's not really what I want it to be, but you couldn't really ask for better muskie conditions, eh, Mike? These guys will be up all on our grill, but it's okay. Come in here, take our fish. I'm over it. It is hard to see. It's not that great. Not too happy about that, but what's that? I'm running this whole line. We were out here first, buddy. You guys came over top of us. I'm running this whole weed line. It's all right, buddy. I just run this line. So we've been on the water for maybe 20 minutes now. Waited 2 hours for it to stop raining, and I'm minding my own business, fishing my own spot. I don't know if you guys just, whatever's gonna show on this GoPro. I don't know how much you can hear, but we're literally fishing this weed bed. We're fishing a weed line. You guys are bass fishermen. It's just, like, anybody who bass fishes will understand this. When you guys fish a weed line or a shoreline, right? You find a weed bed, you find structure, you put your trolling motor down, and you flip, and you flip, you flip. It's all I was doing completely by myself. So these guys come flying around the bend, and they come and they pull right up on our spot. And you know what? I wasn't happy about it, but I let it go. I'm like, you know what? It was a crappy day. Everybody deserves to fish. I don't know. We're the only 2 fishermen on this entire lake, so I don't know why they had to fish my weed bed that I was fishing, but whatever. I waved to them, tell them good morning, whatever, And then all of a sudden, I look behind me and they're casting into my boat trying to hit my boat. And the guy's lure lands right in front of me and I look up at him. I'm like, what's the issue, dude? He's like, oh, you think we weren't fishing here? Like, he got all mad that we were fishing this weed. But I'm like, I was clearly there first. I'm not gonna argue about this. This really doesn't matter. But you know, if someone's fishing a weed line, and I don't care if you're gonna fish the opposite end, like they were out behind us fishing deep water, that's totally fine. Let them do their thing. All of a sudden they switch to the same exact blades that we're fishing and start fishing the same weed bed as us. Like, don't complain that, you know what I mean? Just share the space. It don't matter. We're not doing anything here. So anyways, they freaked out and I didn't want to deal with it. I'm not gonna fight with someone on the water. So we moved spots. We're gonna keep it going. Screw the bad vibes. Whoever you guys are, if you guys watch YouTube fishing, random dudes in your blue Lund boat, y'all need to take the shit out of your Cheerios, because I don't know what you ate this morning, but it's not good. So anyways, let's catch a muskie, baby. Well, as Andrew Flair would say, you don't own the water, bro. You don't own the water. So I don't know. I don't care. I don't deal with nonsense, so I'd rather just fish. I came out here to fish. I didn't come out here to argue. So it's so funny because, like, guys, there's a whole lake. We're literally the only people on this lake besides those other two guys. And whatever. I mean, if there was going to be a day that we'd get one, today feels like it would be the day. Isn't that nice?
Kind of freaked me out for a second. Fish.
Fish? I just said that too. Bring him down, keep his nose down here. No worries. Spool him if you got it. Ready? Keep his head down. Yeah, buddy. There she is.
That's what I'm talking about.
There we go, boy.
Whew.
Little 35 there, buddy.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh. I'm so close.
That's my first of the season, so that's
Probably about 32 to 35 range.
always a nice feeling. I didn't even know if it was on. He bit it out deep. I didn't think it was a fish at first, but
There you go. Let's go.
she gone.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yes.
How you feel about that?
Pumped. Ready for the second one now.
Oh, okay. It's my turn.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a little midday update for you. We got out here about what, 7:30, Mike? Was it like that? Yeah. And it's currently now 10 o'clock. So we're like right on schedule. Things warmed up a little bit, things cleared up, and now we're finally, you know, that was an aggressive bite. That was a fish on the take, it wasn't. We haven't got a single follow yet, and the first fish came on the 8. Goal accomplished. Mike, my goal is to get Mike on a fish. So first day out, I got one, and now this is pretty much our second day out, or yeah, I'm gonna call it our second. We went out a couple weeks ago, but the weather kicked us off real quick. So we'll say second trip out officially, and Mike got one. So we're gonna try and keep this going. Hopefully we can get a couple more fish. That was not a big muskie. I mean, that was probably about somewhere between, I'm gonna say, the 30 to 35 inch range. You know, it's a little guy, but hey, it's still a fish. It's still huge for just catching an average fish. So right now we're packing up the boat. We're gonna go grab some food. We were only gonna fish for a couple hours, but I guess we're gonna put a swirl on things. Michael's ditching class because he's hyped. He caught a muskie, he wants to get another one. So we're gonna go try and find a restaurant around here somewhere. And yeah, we're gonna eat some grub, and I think we're gonna try and get back on the water. I gotta catch a fish today. I can't let Michael outfish me, man. It's not how this works. I mean, I would like to get one. I mean, it's a perfect overcast day, so I'm really hoping, you know, we can maybe get on some fish. So we're gonna go grab some grub, and yeah, we'll bring you guys with us. Come on, let's go.
Tired, bro.
Change of plans. We're actually gonna go take a little drive. We're gonna go to a bait shop that sells musky lures because I want to pick up some new lures. A lot of our stuff is just fried, so I want to throw something different. So we're gonna go to this musky shop, see what they got going on there, grab some food, and try and get some fish later, man. I don't really know. You know, today's just one of those. Hey, I'm not mad because when we came out here, like I said, it was a 50-50 shot of being the worst day ever or being a fairly decent day, and I'd have to say, I mean, I haven't gotten any follows and I haven't got anything yet, but Michael got a follow by a decent fish and put one in the boat, so it's a friggin' good day already, boys. So I'm not mad at all. I don't want to be that guy.
I should have piggyback towards the back.
Take a look at these. These are sick. It's like a giant fluke.
I think it'll do it.
The
for
money,
now.
money keeps piling up.
You're telling me. All right, let's check them out and go grab some food. Yeah.
Went to look for one lure and end up spending way too much money. I picked up another bucktail just because I really wanted one in this color. We got the chartreuse in the black. We got a baby Medusa, a big Medusa, and then we got a sledge. So hopefully this puts us on some more fish today. I don't know. I've always wanted this stuff, so it's good that we have it, but it's not, I hate spending money when you don't have money. So you buy one of those things, it gets expensive.
One of those things.
I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. Do I go shoot it?
If anything bad happens, at least it's on camera. So.
All right. Hey, at least it stopped raining, dude. And the seeds are probably dry by now. You got the boat. Get her out of here. All right. Alrighty. Well, now we got some dank. It's time to go catch more fish. Dude, I got such a bad brain freeze from this darn thing. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Gecko needs to get better smoothies though. Am I right? Well, you wanna try this? It's pretty bad. Hola, señorita. Oh, hey guys, what's going on? It is now 5:30. We decided to spend the whole day out here. Yeah, I don't know. I just want to let you guys know that we've been out here for several hours. We ended up taking the middle part of the day off. We came back, tried to fish Medusas a little bit. It was just too hot, so we went and just laid out, you know, and hung out until about now, which is about 5:30. I just got whaled by one fish over there. Or you guys are about to see that in a second because it just happened before we filmed this. And yeah, so here we go. Goal is to get at least one more fish, no matter who it is, before we go home, or several. If we can get a several fish day, that would be sick. But is several more than one? Is that just another way, or is that like multiple? Is that the right word?
Several and multiple are the same thing.
They are the same thing, right?
You're an idiot.
Musky, 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 musky. I just got whacked. Oh, that was a freaking stud, dude. Did you see its tail? Oh, man, dude. He missed it. He missed it. He missed it. Oh, Babalosa. He nailed it. He tapped it and dipped his head down. Yeah, get ready. Just throw it in the rod locker to your left. Wow, we are burnt. Now the sun's going down. I was laughing at you. I didn't even think about me. Alright, man. We'll do it. They got us today, boys. Well, they didn't get us. They got me today. It was a tough day. We did get one in the boat, and the overall goal for the whole day today was to get Mike on a fish, so that's awesome. Fist bump to you. Thank you for filming so much. I don't know, man. It was a tough day. We spent 12 hours total on today. We got out here about 7 o'clock, and we got off actually later than that. I think it's like 8:30 right now. And you know, we ended a little bit early, but dude, my arm is beat. And yeah, it wasn't too crazy of a day. I got one nip he didn't take, and Mike got one fish and one follow. So it was an aggressive day for the fish, but it was a really weird feeding window. So yeah, I don't know. We had a little bit of everything today. So I don't really know. If you guys like these videos, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, and go give me a follow on Instagram if you guys want to stay updated on what we do outside of YouTube. So thank you guys again so much for watching Tightline TV. We'll catch you later.